Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub. For our computer MCQ questions for all Mizoram government examinations. Poi modon tuka video is so train top thing in Antonia. Our first question. Microprocessor was introduced in which generation of computer? Second generation, fourth generation, first or third generation? Its correct answer is fourth generation ania. But mitam taktidan chonmi also tuk metia atinan movele question movele answer anshekal metinga ma seng. For those who don't know, I'm going to explain this. I'm going to post-mortem this question. Yeh extra knowledge angin ngayula. First generation tahin kaziak nga first generation engtik kuma trangin engtik thleng tichon 1946 trangin 1959. Okay, in this generation enge anman thin kha vacuum tube anman thin. Okay, tahan kaziak nga vacuum tube VT kaziak vacuum tube is the electric component. Ansa is helian thailu tuka antirna nahi room pakhat high train thabo, so they occupy very large area. Chuan operational speed ka engzat nge ti chuan millisecond hami poi shiatangai millisecond operational computation time ania chuan eng language nge man ti chuan machine language was used tahan kanzia ka machine language shitiam tro. Example, what are the examples ti chuan EDVAC? These are the examples of the first generation. EDVAC ania, EDSEC ania, IBM 701, UNIVAC titemo, UNIVAC ENIAC. Okay, ENIAC. These are the examples of first generation computer. Tuna EDVAC, EDSEC, IBM, UNIVAC le ENIAC full form po shia tangaya. So note down zelula nang manitan achadona exam tamtak upcoming lo matrot lo chuak tia. So EDVAC tuna kasoyanga in ngai tlanga duchon in ziak tenia short note mo dule note in siam chon in ziak tia. EDVAC hi enge a full form ti chuan electronic discrete variable automatic computer ania. Chimza EDSEC hi enge ti chuan electronic delay storage automatic calculator ania. IBM chu in shiatro larlu tuka international business machine ania khoange headquarter ti chuan New York. Okay, hey mingi athar ania ma chuan mi hi CTR antitrin IBM himo CTR antitrina. What is the full form of this CTR ti chuan computing tabulating recording. Okay, computing ania, C for computing, T for tabulating, R for recording. Okay, chimza UNIVAC hi enge full form ti chuan universal automatic computer. Okay, universal automatic computer nia. Chimza ENIAC hi enge full form ti chuan electronic numerical integrator and computer. Hemi hi na full form of ENIAC ania. So IBM minka 1924 an thlaka 1924 eng thilnge thlen ti chone lar vedo ti cho 39th claim history lampang array lawang. These are just for revision purpose. 39th Congress session in Shiatro Mahatma Gandhi ka president ania, for first and last time president ania Mahatma Gandhi. So there is also important Belgaum session. Second generation tahian ziak leila second generation. Okay, second generation ka 1959 atrangin 1965 ania. Second generation computer kan enge man ti chon transistor among trina. Transistor was used. It is made up of what? Semiconductors. Second generation in first generation a replace area khatle min mo occupy claims o kahemi hian eng language ange work ti chon assembly language ani dona. Second tichon assembly language, first tichon machine language. Okay, storage tan second generation achon magnetic core an manga chon magnetic tapes an mang china second generation. Examples tanzia klela IBM 1620 ania, IBM 7094 ania chon CDC 3600 tiang hian ya. IBM chu kan shatra international business machine ya. CDC hi ange ti chon control data corporation CDC. First supercomputer in the whole world ti chon CDC series thawan ya CDC 6000. Okay, a speed a bonlu to 3 million flops ania tuna flops hi ange kan shia trina speed kan shina. What is the full form of this flop ti chon FLOPS ti chon floating point operations per second. Okay, duchon hemi 3 MIPS po kantichina tuna enge MIPS tichon million instructions per second anitrin MIPS. Who is the father of supercomputer tichon Semer Cray hemi chun shia atro Semer Crania tuna second generation enge operational speed tichon hemi microsecond anidonta hian. First akachon millisecond ania, second microsecond hemi pohi in shia turania. Tuna third generation kan en lenga. Third generation was in between 1965 atang in 1971. Okay. Chuan third generation enge anman tichon integrated circuits. Okay, what was the operational speed tichon nanosecond. Okay, nanosecond. First akan millisecond ania, second microsecond ya, chon third nanosecond. What was the language tichon high level language. High level language examples in sham tahian Fortran ania, Fortran ania, Pascal ania tahian L. Okay, Pascal chon COBOL. Okay, COBOL ania basic. Okay, example dang pom thawa C++, Java ania, JavaScript ania, PHP, Python, Swift, etc. Tiang ka soizela in ziak zel donya du chuan in ziak thaitina chu tuna ta po hian tro full form chu atam ve ma seng shia tangai full form atam lu to computer a chan mo ma seng shia chon shadon tu ka HLL chu in shia high level language and low level language medium level language pa ma tuna Fortran hi ange full form ti chon Fortran chu formula translation. Okay, formula chon translation. What is the full form of COBOL? In shia hami chu lar lu tukta common business oriented language. Okay, common business oriented language. Java hian engma full form aneilawa. So what is the full form of Java antianga option ming pali ti hian chon none of the above ka intikang. Okay, ajan ji Java in engma englo nei velo full form aneilaw. And after that third generation remote sensing ania, time sharing ania, chon multi programming. These are the operations which are used in third generation computer. Asa malaw inshatiam chu heat generate malawa asa is te in comparison with the first and the second generation. Maintenance potlem tol tuktamo hata hami generation ai chon atau vaklaw tuna fourth generation computer. Fourth generation chu VLSI. Tuna VLSI enge full form ti chon very large scale integrated. Okay, very large scale integrated. Fifth generation angen manchin ti chon ULSI and manchina ultra large scale integrated ania. Fourth generation primary memory enge ti chuan semiconductors anichina. Secondary storage kha enge ti chon magnetic disk hemi poimo. Chon fourth generation ang operational system ngan manti chon multiprocessor le multi programming hemian mga personal computer revolution khoi train nge start chon hetatang yan ajo fourth generation train PC kan ti mo fourth generation train stata high level language and mangtrin tapan mo high level language and mangtrina tapo hian. Fifth generation chu tuna present le future mi muturam donaf tua chon omthawa maseng future upon development stage ama millions of components chupo single chipa bonlo to kami. It is totally based on artificial intelligence. Okay, AI high level language tapo hian mangtrina. What are the examples? Tijon desktop tite laptop mo notebook ultrabook chromebook. These are the examples of fifth generation computers. So ultimately our answer will be microprocessor was introduced in which generation of computer? Tichon fourth generation is the correct answer. Tanin mutengatro first generation computer tan room pakhat angai thin. Hey tanin mutem hey room pakhat angai thina portable lawa maintenance line aboit lak thel tuka which is a second generation claiming mo ate dewa as compared to that of the first generation which is a third generation hemi hi anya fourth tichon hemi nia chon fifth chu hemi in muteng atro hemi short den vekat kamule chaunga ti hian in ziak thei copy amo first generation tian vacuum tube, second generation transistor, third IC, fourth microprocessor VLSI, and fifth is ultra large scale integrated artificial intelligence. Okay, explain to us. So based on that, which of the following programming language were used in first generation computers? Okay, first generation computers jinan kasuyatro first generation achon machine language and manga choose a third generation language tichon high level language. Third generation language enge ka sekhan china khan high level language ania like C++, COBOL, Fortran, Java, JavaScript, Objective-C, Pascal, Perl, PHP, Python, Swift, etc. Okay. So what is the processing speed of second generation computers? First ka millisecond ania, third ka nanosecond ania, then second generation ka microsecond. Fifth question: which of the following is not an output device? Touchscreen, plotter, scanner, or monitor? Any answer? Touchscreen hi answer ani dona. Why touchscreen? Devices which is used to give input to the computer is called input device. And then mouse and yatro hemi and then mouse and ya then wire on chinatro. Left one is used to select or open. Right one is used for refreshing or to make a new folder. Yeah, property and right button here machina. Who invented mouse? Teach one. Douglas Engelbert mingania. With the help of mouse pointer om trina tro pointer om trina kami pointer ka can move trin mo can move trina instruction command can petrina on a specific folder amo thil can select dona piangin mouse cursor can move trina tro input can petrin at the keyboard apotro keyboard exact nge total keys om trin zale pali om trina chon keyboard antinan a kan type kami kha input ania. So we are giving the input. This is the reason these are called input devices. Scanner ange kan titrin scanner achon book amo page atrangin text le pictures tekha a transfer trin computer chimichu scanner ania. These are input devices. Chon output device ange tichuan input atrangin CPU alu chuan input device ania. CPU to output is done with the help of output devices. Tura output device ngani thai monitor anya printer mo blank page kan thun trina chimiza print out kan la chu pengin enge kan ti trin blank page kan thun trina tro printed page kha output kan nei trina. Speaker, headphone, projector tiang tahi enge. All these are output devices. Masing device chen khat antinan they act as both input and output devices. Input and output devices tiang device boy oma enge examples tichon modem in shiatra modem modulator and demodulator nya chimza network card nya te inziak te touch screen poni thau tan ka ziak nga touch screen poni thawa. It acts as a input as well as output device. Chimza headset in shiatra tian headset tihian om trina tian anya chon tahen mic om trin tian heminga tinge both ani trin ajan chu tahian hemi speaker hian output device angina worka hemi microphone hian ange tichon angtinga work tichon input device. And so both devices are there in microphone chu tembo chon facsimile fax machine kan ti trini a scan boka chon simultaneously print out pora chu alak chu athai tiang bok chon audio card amo hey sound card kan tiang hi tiang po hi input as well as output device. So what will be the answer of this question? Hey monitor chu output device ania touch screen hi anilo output le input ani vevia. So our answer will be touch screen. The word QR code stands for quick repository code, quick retrieval code, quick recorded code, or quick response code. Enge answer quick response code hi answer nia. Enge tichin QR code hian information a store thina maseng eng forma pixel forma om trin grid angina oma eng shape ange om trin ti chon square shape om trina chon with the help of digital devices can read thai chung informations to chu direction panyan read thia right to left chon top to bottom. QR code on chu full form ti ta ka ta hian full form computer hisabin tlemen important wedo ta hian kazia ka GBPS mo gigabyte ani mi alonia mi mo gigabit ani trina gigabits per second trina chu za DNS angeti chon tin ziak zel the du chon in revise zel thea. Domain name system ania chimza internet FTP om trina tro FTP angeti chon file transfer protocol ania chimza GUI angeti chon graphical user interface. Modem jo mapon kasoita tro modulator demodulator chimza URL. What is the full form of R in URL tichon resource and tro uniform resource locator chimza LIFO LIFO le FIFO hi angeti chon last in first out chon first in first out. USB angeti chon universal serial bus. ALU angeti chon arithmetic logic unit. HTTPS. What is the full form of this S teach1? Secure. Okay, secure. And what is the full form of all these teach1? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Choose a BIOS yang teach1 basic input output system anya. Wi-Fi yang full form teach1 wireless fidelity. PDF yang full form teach1 portable document format. What is the full form of basic teach1? Beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay, me say ya beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Choose a JPEG image format JPG le JPEG joint photographic experts group hemi joint photographic experts group. It le mina important via in ziak thai. One nibble hi yang teachon mo. Nibble is the smallest unit of data storage in shiatur unit te ber anya data storage unit te ber anya binary digits represent trina. It can be either 0 or 1. 0 le 1. 1 byte bit engzat nge aom trin teachon 8 bits om trina. 1 kilobyte byte engzat nge aom trin teachon 1024 bytes om trin. Chimzwa 1 megabyte engzat nge kb aom trin teachon 1024 kb aom trin. Okay, sang khat om ngai lo kilo teachon sang khat an trin adiklu tu masen computer achon 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power is abanya. And then on 1024 here again trin teachon 2 raised to the power 10 value an trin. Chonthel path poi mo vedo tihian an so trin tro ka internal speed chu chakani 100 mbps mala then rap an trin ma seng khami kha byte ani ngai lo bit an trin mo bit an trin 100 and each one 18 can divide ang 18 can divide vele mega bytes per second an trina chulo chu megabit per second an trin mi poi inshia tangai nya. So answer of 1 nibble is equals to 4 bit. Tuna a CPU contains which of the following? Okay, a card reader and a printing device, an analytical engine and a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit ALU, an ALU and a card reader. The answer of this question will be option number C, a control unit om trina chon ALU om trin. Okay, chichu khoya CPU. CPU is called what? CPU is central processing unit and it is called the brain of computer. What is the meaning of the Greek word analogon, from which the word analog has been derived? Analog computer kanti trintro achumi analog chu a Greek word analogon train and siyama. It is taken from the word analogon. Analogon hi ange omzia tichun ratio. Okay, ratio according to a ratio proportion. Okay, so ratio will be the correct answer. Question number 10. A floppy disk is a magnetic storage medium for computer system. What is the size limit of data to be stored on a floppy disk? Okay, floppy disk man like tu nachon mangvak tolawa floppy disk achon 800 kb atrangin 2.8 megabyte and mangtrina. So option is answer will be option number D. But adang tapo shia tangai floppy disk chawni lo exam athil dangpon lo zotia. We'll have a look. And then question which storage device can store maximum amount of data? Teach one enge kantia. Answer will be HDD, hard disk. Hard disk achon in shiatro 1 TB tite 1 TB angzat nge GB om trin 1024 gigabyte om trin in shiatangai chon 2 TB 4 TB tiang po in shianga. Those are what? A hard drive and storage capacity tam thai bik lutuka. Memory device which cannot be erased or unerasable or reused thai la mo. Teach one enge kan answer ni don CD compact disk ni dona read only angka. Tunachon CDRW om to tro compact disk rewritable om to. But according to the exam point of view chu CD can answer ni don. Magneto optical disk om trina hemi hi a remove thai boka up to 20 GB size anitrin. Okay, hemi floppy disk chu nachina sedanankan 800 KB to 2.2 megabyte. Okay, chon CD-ROM ti chon 650 MB anitrin or 700 MB anitrin CD. Highest ti chon hard disk kenya chon lowest ti chon floppy disk. Okay, tuna what is the full form of UDF? UDF full form each one. The full form of UDF will be universal disk format. Okay, universal disk format, option number C. What is the full form of HVD? HVD chu holographic versatile disk, and the last one is the full form of ECC memory. Each one error correcting code memory. Option number A is the correct answer. In revise which one of the following device is a volatile storage? Volatile storage chu can off chuan, can system can off chuan, can turn off chuan. Whenever we turn off our system or PC, computer, laptop, anything, okay, data will get erased. Data ka bauwek chena. So khoya volatile storage. Masing kanshia tangaya. What are the volatile storages? Each one RAM. He can answer ni dona. Chun other than RAM. What is the other example? Each one cache memory. Cache memory po hi volatile thau ani chena. On chung zong chu data store train ovele about china. These are, and the examples are RAM and cache memory, RAM and CM. Masing non-volatile storage chu of nuwa po data ka in store char train abau ngai lawa chichu. What is the example? Teach one HDD hard drive, photos file mo in pod document daila abau ngai lawa, and the other one is ROM, okay, read only memory. ACID is a set of properties of database transaction intended to guarantee validity even in the event of errors, power failure, etc. What is the full form of ACID? Hemi sulfuric acid or nitric acid or hydrochloric acid and ammonia. What is the full form of this acid, teacher? Atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Okay, so this is the full form of ACID. Poimo from exam point of view. What is the size of MAC address? Each one MAC address achon exact 12 digit hexadecimal numbers and omtrina 48 bits a length exact teach one 48 bits. Tiangin mutong atro 0 B 469 E 88 chon 92 tihian omtrina. So avayan belcomila hey 6 multiplied by 2 12 omtrin. So 12 hexadecimal numbers are there. The length is 48 bits. So tizong hi hemi video hian explain this video kain mula throw don video trying teach one in like nge don ya. Okay, thank you.